Good morning. Today we are going to talk about Euler method. Before proceeds to the question, please refer to my Instagram post for the general formula, and I have put the links in the description box. From this question, it is given a function where a equals to 0.5, b equals to 0.1, and then the range is x between 1 and 3. The initial condition is given. So when x not equals to 1, y not equals to 1, and the step size is 0.5. So we substitute the a and b value, we will obtain the equations. From here, we list down the time series. So from here, we know that we will need to conduct 4 iterations. We will proceed to first iteration. We substitute into the general formula. So for my y1, I will get 11.8747. For x1, I will get 1.5 by using its general formula. Do the same thing for second iteration. Hence, for y2, I will get 34.3274, while for x2, I will get 2.0. And then repeat the same procedure for third iteration. So y3, I will get 79.3268, while for x3, I will get 2.5. For fourth iteration, the value of y4, I will get 161.498. For x4, I will get 3.0. In my next video, I will show you about range quota method. Stay tuned and thank you.